Hello students, let us exercise 14.3 question number 1. We have already discussed all example of this exercise. Now we start question number 1. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 years to 44 years in years worldwide found the following figures in percent. Serial number, cause, female fertility rate in percent. Number first, reproductive health condition 31.8, neuro conditions 25.4, injuries 12.4, cardiovascular condition 4.3, respiratory condition 4.1, other causes 22. Represent this information given above graphically. Second, which condition is the major cause of women ill health and death worldwide? Try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause, above being the major cause. Second, above being the major cause. Now, first we draw horizontal line and vertical line, x and x dash, y and y dash. Now, scale 1 unit equal to 10%. So we take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Horizontal line shows causes and vertical line shows female fertility rate in percent. Reproduction health conditions 31.8. Now draw a rectangle. 31.8 lies between 30 and 40, so this is your rectangle for reproductive health condition 31.8%. Neuropsychiatric condition 25.4, 25.4, injuries 12.4, 12.4, cardiovascular condition 4.3, respiratory 4.1 and other 22. Second answer, reproductive health condition is the major cause of women ill. Third part, lack of awareness among women. Second part, lack of doctors as well as medical facilities. Now, second question. The following data of the number of girls to the nearest 10 per 1000 boys in different sections of Indian society is given below. Section, number of girls per 1000 boys. SC 940, ST 970, non-SC ST 920, backward district 950, non-backward district 920, rural 930, urban 910. First we draw horizontal line and vertical line and take sign of king and start 900, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980. Horizontal line shows sections. Vertical line shows number of girls per 1000 boys. For SC 940, for ST 970, non-SC ST 920, backward district 950, non-backward district 920, rural 930. And answer for second part, maximum number of girls per 1000 boys in ST while minimum in urban areas. Maximum in ST and minimum in urban areas. Question number 3, given below are the seat won by different political parties in the polling outcome of a state assembly election. Political parties seats won. Do yourself. Now we discuss fourth question. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter, and the obtained data is represented in the following table: length in mm and number of leaves. We see that class interval is not continuous and have gap between 120 and 126 and 127. So we can write class interval in the form 117.5 to 126.5, that is number of leaves 3. 126.5, 135.5, 5 leaves. 135.5, 144.5, that is 9 leaves. 144.5 to 153.5, that is 12 leaves. 153.5 to 162.5, that is 5. 162.5 to 171.5, that is 4. 171.5 to 180.5, that is 2. Now first we draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. X, x dash, y, y dash. First we take king sign and start 117.5, 126.5, 130.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5, 180.5, and so on. And horizontal vertical axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Number of leaves. Vertical line represent number of leaves. And the horizontal lines represent length in millimeter. Now draw for first class interval, number of leaves 3. So 3 lies between 2 and 4, and we draw a rectangle. And next for second class interval 126.5 to 135.5, that is 5 leaves. Similarly you can draw other rectangles, and this is your histogram. Now question second, is there any other suitable graphical representation for the same data? Yes, other as frequency polygon. Third part, is it correct to conclude the maximum number of leaves are 150 mm long? Why? No, maximum number of leaves is 12, that is 12, which lies 154 mm or less than 153 mm. Do question number 5 in your fair notebook. Now do question number 1 to 5 in your fair notebook. Thank you.